Independence Day is our national festival. It is a special day for India. It is celebrated on 15 August. And this day we celebrate freedom. We remember freedom fighters on this day. Indian national flag has 3 colors. They are saffron, white and green. Saffron represents courage, sacrifice and the spirit of renunciation. Symbolizes purity, truth and peace. It represents fight, fertility and prosperity.